There are many reports that LVMH Group is exploring sale of its 50% stake in Fenty Beauty. Here's what we know so far. LVMH is reportedly working with investment bank Evercore to explore selling its half interest in Fenty. Now, Fenty Beauty famously co-founded with Rihanna in 2017 under LVMH's incubator has been a standout in the beauty space. The brand is known for its inclusive foundation ranges, strong initial growth, and cultural impact. So here's the deal. In terms of performance, the report suggests that Fenty Beauty generated roughly $450 million in net sales in 2024, and its valuation could be anywhere between $1 billion to $2 billion range. So this is not a non-performing brand. It's performing well enough to command a serious valuation. So why would LVMH sell its stake in a strong brand? I'm Hannah Fitz, the strategist and story architect for Legacy Builders. Here's where the strategy becomes interesting. One might assume that if a brand or a product is doing well, you hold on. But in business, especially with a conglomerate, doing well isn't the only factor. There are deeper questions that a group like LVMH may be asking internally. Is this brand tightly aligned with the core business model and the brand identity? Is the brand core to its strategic portfolio? Are resources, attention, and infrastructure being optimally allocated? Early in my career, I served as the new product development officer for a holding group of companies. And I saw firsthand this in action. The group sold off brands not because they were failing, but because they were distracting from the core business. They realized that diversification into brands that sat outside of the strategic identity was diluting their core value proposition. It was distracting management and diffusing the brand equity. The decision to streamline was about staying strong in their core competencies. So, if LVMH is considering this move, it may signal that Fenty Beauty, though successful, is not sufficiently core to LVMH's luxury identity. And we must remember that Fenty Beauty is a mass-market cosmetic brand and not a heritage maison. LVMH's bedrock is ultra-luxury houses, the high-craft exclusive distribution, and couture. That's core to their brand DNA. This is a powerful lesson for any business owner at any stage. Performance alone does not guarantee long-term alignment and strategic fit. What matters are three things. Brand identity, the root. Does the product or brand reflect your core promise, heritage, and future vision? The portfolio discipline. Are you allocating resources, time, capital, talent in ways that reinforce your strategic positioning? And are you being stretched into too many directions? Focus over breadth. Diversification can feel exciting, but it can also dilute your strength if it pulls you into unrelated businesses and identities.